Well, it's September, September the 18th, I think. I should have looked, but I don't know what time it is, what date it is. It's Friday. I think it's 18th. But look how tall the corn got. And then I want to show you this. You remember last time I videoed it? It was like everything was like full bloom. The tomatoes were like just real skinny, but there were some green tomatoes on them. So now they brought in a whole bunch more mulch. There's a big pile, and you can see what they got over there. They probably do potatoes. They're getting ready for fall, the fall garden. So that's what they got going on. Yep, you can see the trees are changing. Look at that. They're already starting to take on a different tinge. But I thought I'd show you. I want to show you this right here. I thought it was a survey marker at first, but it's not. See if you can see it. I'll zoom in on it and get my shadow out of the way. Look at that. United States. Huh. And it says tobacco. Oh, I'm too zoomed in on it. Tobacco company. Yeah. You think it's like a can of Skull somebody took and put there? Been there probably a long time. Alright, well, I'm gonna get out of here.